Hands up if you're a small business and still don't have a website. As the internet becomes more important in our lives, more businesses are using it to reach new customers. But is a website still necessary in 2022? The answer may surprise you. It's more important than ever for businesses to have a website that is well designed and easy to use. Did you know over 70% of purchases start with an online search? When was the last time you bought something from a store or used a service without checking into the company or looking at the reviews? These days you whip out your phone and do a quick Google search before buying or even eating out for dinner. Search engines like Google kickstart 93% of the purchase decisions people make. Some customers won't even think about purchasing from your business if you do not have an online presence. This means you are missing out on potential customers and sales. A website gives you credibility. It reassures customers that you're a long-term business. Having a website allows potential customers to learn more about your products and services before they make a purchase. A website is a 24-hour-a-day, 7 days a week marketing tool. It works for you even when you're staring out the window on a Friday afternoon, wishing you were somewhere else. Anywhere else. Your website is always open for business. A website is a powerful marketing tool that can help promote your business. Even when you're not working, your website can be working for you, attracting new customers, generating new leads and sales. If you don't have a website, potential customers will go to your competitors. In today's business world, customers expect a business to have a website. You cannot afford to fall behind your competition. Potential customers are more likely to contact businesses with an online presence. So you think you own a social media business? No, you don't even own your social media account. You could lose your account. Now you might be selling on social media, and that's amazing if you're making income through Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. However, you don't own your social media account. That's right, you don't own your Facebook page, your Twitter handle, not even your TikTok. But do you know what you do own? You own your website. Your website is the only one place on the internet that you control 100%. Your website provides long-lasting value. Once you invest in a website, it's yours for life. It will keep working for you. An advert in a paper, magazines or even radio gives you a single benefit. Your website, on the other hand, will always stay on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all year round, promoting your business non-stop. A website gives you a way to reach a global audience of customers. You can operate your website in different languages to maximize your profits. This gives you a huge competitive advantage over brick and mortar businesses who are limited by their physical locations. Your website can provide customer support. Your website provides customer support in the form of live chat and chat bots. You can easily help customers answer their questions on your website. Additionally, interactive chatbots can provide useful support for your customers. They easily answer or provide access to functions not necessarily available via email or telephone. In conclusion, having a website is more important than ever because it allows businesses to connect with more customers, create an engaging user experience, and build trust. Additionally, websites can be powerful marketing tools and help businesses generate leads and drive sales. Therefore, if you don't have a website, now is the time to create one. Do you need a beautiful and stable website but don't have time to design it yourself? Beyond Boundaries here to help. We offer fast, creative web design services that will make your business stand out from the crowd. Our focus is on your users, so you can be sure your website will be responsive and easy to use. So contact us today for a free consultation, and your business can also exceed beyond boundaries.